What's up everybody, it is Colin here, and in this video I want to show you the importance of an affiliate marketing build-up. Affiliate marketing build-up, you might say, I don't know what that means, but I'm going to show you exactly how it's done in this video. So you're seeing my tracker right now. Well, the tracker I used to use, right now I use Volume, but this is Bynum. Got a little over $10,000 in revenue on a PlayStation Store offer on Instagram. And as you can see, what you might notice, let's have a look at the left first. We have Italy, Belgium, Italy again, US lender 1, UK, and US lender 2. So based on this, you can see a little under 100,000 clicks, 61% click-through rate, just under 4,500 leads, around 5% conversion rate, 10 cent EPC. So this offer was very profitable for me. We ran it a long time. We even ran this offer on our different tracking domains. So this is one, and we have another one. And in this sense, we did Germany. That's where it all started. So let me tell you a little story, yeah? So we started running this offer in Germany, then we moved it to France, then we moved it to Sweden, Denmark, Finland, and then we moved it to Italy. And that's where this began, right? So Italy, you can see we got some traction, but it didn't really last long. Basically because we have been running Italy on the other tracker for about 4 months before this one. And this is my dedicated tracker, right? So I'm the only one who uses iMakesMoney. And you'll see, then I moved into the UK. So this was the second campaign. At the same time, I started Belgium, but in a few hours already noticed it was not going to work because it was not converting at all. So the issue here was the conversion rate. The issue with Italy was the CPC, which was too high because we were running it for too long. I think Italy in total was very good. It did like 2,500 in total, but over a 4-month spread, yeah, right? So then UK was, for you guys to watch this right now, the most interesting one. 7.81% conversion rate, and that is in total. Right, so on offer, that would be almost 11%, 14,000, almost 15,000 clicks, generating a total revenue of 1.8K. So I'm too lazy to ever update this. So once one of my media buyers updated the cost here, so you can ignore the ROI. Basically US and US here is obviously the two biggest ones, totaling almost, just over $8,000. And you can see two different lenders. And how do these compare? Let's just select these two so we can have a look. Obviously, you know lender 2 is the winner because it got like 90% of the clicks, a little bit better click-through rate, 1.1 higher conversion rate. That's why we chose this one instead of this one. Let's have a look at the reports. I'm just showing you guys everything. Just so you know the build up, you start in one country, you move, onwards. I didn't start in the US. I started in a low cost geo to explore. I just hit gold on one of the first tries. Germany is a difficult geo. We moved through it, scaled into Italy, France, low cost geos just to see if this is all the same image, by the way. So all in English, one image. So it's 10 in this tracker, maybe it's around 4.5, 6.5 in the other tracker. So between 15 and 20,000 on one image. The most amazing part here is that we have the data right here and we can have a look at it, but the build-up process is very important. We don't start in the US, we build it across all geos and then we scale on the big levels. Now you can see most of the revenue comes from the US. iOS, Android, Windows. Well, this is not interesting. I never look at this. I want to look at the ad set name. Sharing all my secrets with you guys. There we go. And you can see the split test we have running here. Let's go on based on clicks. Oh, there we go. So you can see 18 plus PlayStation Store base audience, landing page views, iOS Wi-Fi only, Android Wi-Fi only, Android. And you can see the difference is not that significant, but it's still there. Then we ran a lookalike for this one, which we usually never do. Base audience again, lookalike. LP is all landing page views. Landing page views. We cut up the age range here for the US. You see Great Britain, we just ran male. We ran with the interest, but with a very special interest tag. So this was interest stacking in a very weird combination. That's why it worked so well. So if you guys just running PlayStation or PlayStation Store, it's not going to work. So we run a very special structure. I'm giving you all this. I'm not going to give you the interest targeting, of course. You can figure that out yourself. And probably 99% of you will never figure it out because it was very complex. I think it was a combination of 9 different interests into one with 2 layers as well. All right, so Great Britain, 18. You see the younger audience, they convert better. For the US, you always have to watch out with the scrubbing. That's why you see this one, the EPC is 10. The higher audiences, oh, it's almost the same. So for this one, it's okay. If you see significantly lower EPC, you might get scrubbed. You have to look out for those things with the US. Obviously, that's why we never recommend US for beginners. Great Britain again, Great Britain, Great Britain. You see, we tested a lot. Look, and that's one of the most important things which I always stress. It all comes down to testing. CPA all goes down to testing. Let's say you test 10 things, 8 of them don't work. The 2 of ones that they do work, they make up for the loss the testing, and then you scale and you are in profit. The math is so simple, you just have to go through it. If you launch one ad set, obviously you cannot find gold, right? Look how many we did. How many total? Can we check? No. Oh, it's even 3 pages. So it's more than 100 different variants in this one. Obviously they didn't all get traffic, but let's say it's around 75 ad sets that did receive traffic. Then do we have ad set name? Ad name, I mean. We just looked at the ad set name. Yeah, they did. We just copied the ad set name for this one. So nothing to see here. Campaign name. So you see, we all ran like landing page views. We didn't run any link clicks on this one. And sometimes for the US and Facebook, we run link clicks, but this is obviously Instagram. And to be frank, I've not had much success on Instagram in the US. Usually it's all Facebook. So the campaign names, you can see, pretty basic, nothing special. Yeah, I think that's it. Yeah, well, the countries, I already told you the targeting, right? So let's just go back to the campaign and remove the grouping. Then you just get the pass. So here you can see this was actually the affiliates PlayStation Store offer for the US. We ran with Adfidi, we ran with Big Bang Ads. And in that situation, you can see I'm giving you all the information you need to know, right? 3 different networks, 2 networks and 1 advertiser we work with to test this offer. As you can see, we pulled in a lot of revenue with affiliates, these 2, and some with Adfidi. The German one, France, Italy, and Nordics, we all ran with Big Bang Ads on the other account we have. So yeah, testing. It all comes down to testing. I've shown you once again this time. I'm not blurring any information. You can see everything. I hope you guys appreciate it. If you do, please let me know in the comments down below. And I will do another video just like this. If you have any questions, which I can answer for you in the next video, put them down there. I will make sure to reply to them. If it's not in the next video, I will reply in text to you. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.